Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building wealth with Vanguard easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building wealth with Vanguard, begin by visiting Vanguard's official website. Look for the Personal Investors section on the homepage. Click on Open an account to begin the registration process. Choose the type of account that suits your needs. Options include individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and educational savings accounts. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Now, enter your financial information, such as your income and employment status. Next, set your investment goals and risk tolerance. Vanguard will guide you through selecting investments based on your preferences. Once you have chosen your investments, proceed to review your account setup. Make sure all information is accurate before proceeding. Authorize any necessary agreements and disclosures. After approval, fund your account using a bank transfer or other payment methods. Once your account is funded, monitor it regularly to track performance. Consider setting up automatic contributions to grow your investment over time. Familiarize yourself with Vanguard's educational resources for ongoing learning. Utilize their tools to reassess your investment strategy periodically. As you grow more comfortable, expand your portfolio with additional investment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.